This video tutorial is about GoDaddy Domain Name Transfer or transfer ownership of your domain name coming up.
So many pieces all back together now. What's your vision?
What we do here is go back.
Go to GoDaddy.com. Sign in with your details. Now I want to transfer this domain to another GoDaddy account. Click on Manage. Scroll down the page. Now you will see transfer domain to another GoDaddy account. Click on it. Here, give another account details of GoDaddy where you actually want to transfer. Check the box. I am selecting enter new details, so I don't want to left any footnotes of previous one. I don't want to change name servers, so I check on this. Give the username of your another GoDaddy account.
What we do here is go back.
Check all boxes and give your details. Click next. Check this box and click on finish. Now you can see the pop-up saying change account ownership, but actually we didn't complete it yet. This logout for now from existing account for GoDaddy and sign in with another GoDaddy account. Here we don't find any transfer domain because we need to confirm email verification. Let's go to the email and see. If we don't accept the domain within 10 days, it will going to fade away. Click on sign in now.
What we do here is go back.
Sign in with second account of GoDaddy. Just check on domain and click on accept. Check all boxes and click on OK. Let's check once my all domains. Now the new domain is added in my account. I got a new email confirming that domain transfer is complete. Follow the steps to transfer ownership of domain in GoDaddy.